These days, people of almost every profession taking advantages of Chat GPT and other such AI technology. And as we know that every coin has two faces. Similarly, the use of Chat GPT also has advantages as well as disadvantages. In such a condition, the question is, should a lawyer use ChatGPT? Why not to ask this question from ChatGPT itself, and let's see what it replies. Should a lawyer use ChatGPT? See what it replies. Its typing speed is very fast. See what it replies. As an AI language model, I can provide some insights. But ultimately, the decision whether a lawyer should use ChatGPT or any other AI tool depends on several factors. Here are a few considerations. Accuracy and reliability. While AI models like ChatGPT can generate responses and provide information, they may not always be accurate. You need to focus on this point. They may not always be accurate or up to date. It's essential for lawyers to ensure the information they provide is reliable and based on current legal standards and regulations. Next point is ethical considerations. What does it mean? Lawyer has a professional responsibility to provide competent and ethical legal advice to their clients. They must exercise dependent professional judgment and avoid relying solely on AI-generated responses, as these responses may not be tailored to the specific circumstances of a case. So this is very nice point that AI can give the data or information based on the available information. It cannot consider the case specific circumstances and of course some of the legal provisions and also the moral and ethical issues. So of course lawyers should consider all these points based on his or her prior experience, right? The third point that it says, that is confidentiality and privacy. Lawyers have a duty to maintain client confidentiality when using AI tools. It's crucial to consider the privacy and security implications. Ensure that any data shared or processed by the AI model adheres to applicable legal and ethical standards. See, the third point is also important because it is saying that confidentiality and privacy, there could be breach of confidentiality and privacy if you use ChatGPT. So while using it, you have to be very careful, right? And the fourth point that it says, that is regarding what? Supplementing legal research. ChatGPT can be a useful tool for legal research, allowing lawyers to quickly access information and find relevant legal resources. It can assist in exploring legal precedents, statutes, and case law. However, it should be used as a supplement to traditional research methods and not as a substitute for comprehensive legal analysis. So again, the fourth point defines its limitations. So you can take advantage of this AI platform, but you need to be careful. You cannot rely upon, right? So rather you can use as a supplementary. The next is communication with clients. AI models can assist in streamlining communication with clients by providing quick responses to general legal inquiries. However, it's important to manage client expectations and clearly communicate the limitations of AI-generated responses to ensure clients understand that personalized legal advice may require additional analysis and consultations. Okay, so again, the fifth point is very honest answer that defines you can again take the advice or help of AI platform, but you have to take care of its limitations. So you need to insert or put some of the human flavor while communicating with the clients. Now let's check out how it concludes it. Ultimately, lawyers should carefully consider the benefits and limitations of using AI tools like Chat GPT, ensuring they maintain their professional obligations and exercise their independent judgment when providing legal services. So, it is not denying the fact that a lawyer shouldn't use Chat GPT, but while using it, lawyer has to understand that it has some limitations. So, rather than relying on this platform, a lawyer should use it as a supplement, and then he or she should also input something or analyze based on his or her own experience. So using the Chat GPT is not a bad thing, but knowing its limitations and knowing its accuracy is essentially required. Because if you don't have the idea about its limitation and the accuracy, what it is saying that is exactly what you want, then it is dangerous for you to use this Chat GPT. So this is all for this video. I will back with another topic, of course based on Chat GPT only. Till then, bye bye, take care.